Hey there, Stampers. Welcome to the April class in the mail presented to you by Stampin' Up! Demonstrators Sherry Roth and Laura Milligan. We are excited to bring to you the Love You to Pieces class in the mail, which includes the Love You to Pieces stamp set, the coordinating puzzle pieces framelits, a spool of black baker's twine, and the supplies and step-by-step instructions, including measurements, to complete 7 cards. So you get 2 each of these 3 cards and 1 of this kind of fun fold card. Now you'll notice that these colors that we've chosen this month are a little bit more on the masculine side. We always find that masculine cards are a little bit more difficult to create, so we thought we'd focus the class around the men in your life. However, these cards can also be recreated in a variety of colors to suit the little ones in your life as well as the women in your life. Okay, so here's some alternate color schemes that you could go with. And really the sky is the limit when it comes to color options. So you can turn around and take the instructions that you get along with the measurements and recreate them in a variety of colors to suit your needs. All right, so if you are interested in participating in this class in the mail, I will have our email addresses in the description below and feel free to contact us. All right, thanks so much for watching. I look forward to stamping with you soon.